Yes! Well, you just saw this guy blowing smoke. If you want to see how I did it and where I did it, stay tuned while I fast forward all the way to Virginia. Hope you enjoy. I'm here with Jacob Griffin.
I'm not doing this.
Yeah, you are, man. You have to. You did it.
Apparently.
You did it. So I'm here with Jacob Griffin, and I'd like to ask him, where is my steak flipper?
It's on my handle.
Ah, what is my handle doing?
It's being carved by you.
Right.
I'm trying to find mine so you can burn mine in.
I was complimenting him on how great.
Well, see, and that's the other thing is like, oh, I'll find the one with a nice tip because mine had a nice tip.
Oh, yeah? Everybody ready? We need more cameras. you just saw me make this wonderful steak flipper, and I think the best part about this was I actually accidentally made a left-handed version, and I'm right-handed, and Jacob Griffin made a right-handed version, and because he stole mine, I ended up with an actual right-handed version. It worked out great. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Until next time, cheers, and have a great day.